Don't focus on how much you eat. Focus on what you eat. My name is Saraswati Pillai and I am your science teacher for class 7th. Today we are going to start an interesting topic, that is nutrition in animals. What do you mean by this word nutrition? Whenever our body gets any work, for example, if we are playing, our body needs energy for that, right? After some time we get tired when we are doing any work. Why? Because our energy in our body get consumed. Now from where we are getting this energy? We are getting the energy from the food we eat, right? The same way all the animals also need energy to do some or other work, right? All the living organisms requires energy. And we know that we get this energy from the food we eat. So the process of nutrition is very simple. It is the process of taking the food for the utilization of the growth and development of the body, which is very important in all the organisms, right? So that process is called nutrition.
Nutrition and its process. Nutrition, the process of taking in food and its utilization in body for its growth and development is called nutrition. Holozoic type of nutrition in animals. It means solid form of food. 5 steps of nutrition in animals. First is ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. Ingestion is the process of taking in the food. Digestion is the process in which complex substances of food are being converted into simpler substances. Absorption is the process in which food is transported to all the parts of the body with the help of the blood. Assimilation is the process in which the absorbed food or the nutrients are being utilized in the body. And egestion is the process in which the toxic substances or the waste materials are being removed from the body. So these are the 5 steps in the process of nutrition. Nutrition in amoeba. It also follows the 5-step process in nutrition. In this diagram, you can easily see that when the food substances come in contact with the animal or the amoeba, it forms a false food-like structure that is called pseudopodia, through which it takes the food through the process of ingestion. Then the digestion process carries out and then absorption occurs, in which the nutrients are being absorbed in the body, followed by assimilation is the process in which the nutrients are being utilized by the organism, and the last process is egestion, in which the toxic materials are being removed from the body. You can see in the diagram that process is called egestion, in which the waste materials are removed from the body. So this is the process of nutrition in amoeba. Now nutrition in hydra. Hydra takes the food or the prey with the help of a hand-like structures called tentacles, and it absorbs the nutrition. Now in this diagram you can see that how frogs catches its prey or the insect with the help of a sticky tongue. Next is paramecium. It takes the food with the help of the cilia, or it's a hair-like structure which is surrounded in its body. The third image is of butterfly. It sucks the nectar from the flower with a tube-like structure called proboscis. The fourth image is of spider. It uses the spider web to trap the insect.
Yes, students. So we have seen the process which is involved in the nutrition in hydra, amoeba, frog and other organisms. I hope all of you have understood whatever we have taught in this video. The next video, we will learn about an interesting topic, that is the human digestive system and other interesting things related to the nutrition in animals. Till then, take care of yourself, students. Have a great day. Thank you.